Yo, what is going on, folks? Retrospective Dave here, and I'm here to bring you all a quick legit check-in video or real versus fake video for the 2026 Flint 13, specifically the one from the V01M factory. The reason why I'm doing this particular factory code is because it has been selected by the counterfeit companies to produce the replicas. So if you ordered this from StockX or Go and you ended up with this particular factory code, then this video is for you. Please like, comment, share, hype, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the shoe. So one of the telltale signs that you have a fake is the construction of the carbon fiber plate. On the fake pair, these squares that you see are pretty apparent and raised, whereas on the real pair, the squares are flat and you can hardly tell that the squares are there. Another obvious detail to point out is the midsole. 13s will always have a double layered midsole, so as you can see on the real pair, there's a thin line that traces the entire midsole, making it appear layered. On the fake pair, this detail is missing. Taking a look at the shape, all of the authentic V01Ms for the Flint 13 have a rounded back. This is something that I pointed out in the video before this one. On the fake pair here, the rounded shape isn't quite there as it's more vertical on the fake pair. Also, be sure to check your insoles as this is another dead giveaway as well. Authentic pairs will not come with side stickers. I've inspected several retail pairs prior to making this video and the side stickers were not used this time around. If someone wanted to be slick and remove the side stickers to pass the shoes off as authentic, you can also check the back of the insole. On the authentic pair, the square is embossed, meaning that the lines are raised. On the fake pair, the square is debossed, meaning that the lines are pressed into the material. Moving on to the box, you'll have two stamps underneath your box lid, no YCM stickers inside of the box, no stickers or stamps underneath the box. Be sure to check the box label as well. The real box label isn't as bold in these areas like it is on the fake, so please do not overlook this detail. Alright folks, and that pretty much wraps up this real versus fake video on the 2026 Flint 13 from the V01M factory. Again, I just wanted to give you some quick tips or some details to look at so that you can quickly authenticate your shoes and not take up too much of your time. If you end up with a VW1 pair of a Flint 13, I would also say be careful with that one as well, because I did see some fakes with the VW1 factory code on it, but I actually haven't seen any retail pairs with the VW1 factory code. I know we did see VW1 on the last 13 release that came out for the cherries earlier this year. They were contracted to do the cherry 13s, but I don't know if they were contracted to do this one. The only factory codes that I've seen for the adult sizes of the Flint 13 so far have been the V03M and the V01M, and right now the V01M is the one that's being used to do the fakes as well. So just be careful with that. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. I appreciate you all viewing as always. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also hype the video. It does get the channel out to more people that are looking for content like this. Stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.